Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made lemon ricotta cookies. They have a nice lemony glaze on top and there's lemon inside. They're super easy to make. Let me show you how I made them. First I have 1 stick of very softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to beat them with an electric mixer for 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 1 cup of ricotta cheese. And I'm going to mix that in just until it's combined. Now I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. Make sure you don't get any seeds inside. And I'm going to mix that in. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix these together, and now I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. And you no longer want to use the electric mixer. You're going to mix this by hand with a spoon until it forms a nice thick cookie dough. And it looks like this. Now right here I have a cookie scooper, and I put them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. I'm going to bake them 350 degrees for 15 minutes until the bottoms look like this, nice and brown. Then you put them on a wire rack, and I'm going to let them completely cool off. Now I'm going to make some glaze for on top of my cookies. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. Okay, now I'm going to mix all that, and that makes your glaze. Okay, now I'm just going to pour my glaze, drizzle it on top of all the cookies, and this really adds a lot. These cookies are really good. They're nice and chewy and thick and soft. These were really tasty cookies and very easy to make. So these are lemon ricotta cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.